Hi, this is Raven. So we're going to continue the Grey Z, and we're going to look at the next two missions, which are Medical Detective. So search for the missing supplies in the nearby town, and while we do that, we're going to do the Restoring Order. So neutralize enemies in the town, 10 of them. So they go hand in hand quite nicely. So to get there, we are going to go to Alpha 1. Let's call in the heli. So we've got a key for this mission, so the PL dock. Great. Looks like our bird is coming in. Oh, other pad, yeah. Go. So something I did notice when I logged back in, if you don't remember last video, we ended with a lung damage. So logging back in, the lung damage is gone. So it turns out that logging in and out, at the moment anyway, resets the damage you've taken. So I'm not obviously going to intentionally do that. If I log out and in after a session, then so be it. But I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. But yeah, I'm not going to do it intentionally because I don't want to cheat myself with this Grey Z mode. Okay, I'm going to turn the noise back on. So we're going to head northwest. See the sort of tree line here, and there's a pond to the right. And then there's a house here with like a little water tower. So we'll head towards this house to the left hand side of it. Just going to make sure I'm on single, yep. And then once we get to the fence, we want to move over to this wall here. So we're aiming between the big tree and the little tree. There's guys the other side of this building here. If you go out on the street, you'll get into a firefight. Whereas this way, we're going to get some cover. So hop the wall, sort of where this post is. What we're going to do is just going to... Yeah, they have heard us. I think he's around this side. Oh, there is. And we'll just check this side. Sometimes there's a guy here. There you go. We'll reload quick. And then we're just going to sort of sneak down. And then push back again. Push back again. Reload. This way, we've always got some really good hard cover. Just going to double check this side. Yeah, so there's a guy right down the end of the street. With this AK, I probably won't be able to hit him. But if you've got a 5.56 with a bit better accuracy, then you might be able to tap him. Or if I had a Mosin, I could have done that, but... Okay, so we've cleared this bit up here. So we'll just loot these guys. See if we've got anything good. I'll just top up that ammo. Nothing. There was a guy over here, wasn't there? Yep. I'm just looking for keys mainly. Got enough drink for now. We killed a guy over back here, didn't we? Did reload. Oh yeah, tourniquet, so I'm going to take a spare tourniquet, yep. Leave that. Backpack there. Don't think I've ever checked this building. Probably not a lot in here, but might be worth a look. No. Needn't have bothered. Nothing. Okay, so here's the building we want anyway for the medical detective. There is a guy there actually. We'll see if we can do this first. So we unlock that. Get inside. Oh, I think it's this side, isn't it? There we go. So objective completed. Just check it. Medical detective. Search for missing supplies. Okay, so locate any evidence. Oh, hello.
Hello there.
So here's the evidence here. Pick up that diary. And we've got enough bandages, so we'll leave that. So this guy knows we're in here. Shooting through the window. Reload. Now I should have took him out before we got in here, but yeah, there's two guys coming now. That's not ideal. We'll open that so we can... Oh no, we won't. Okay. What we'll do is we'll just wait for them to come up and try and hit them through the window. No, I'm hitting the post. Sounds like they're closer anyway. We'll just play the patience game, I think. We're in a bad position, really. Normally I would have took those guys... Oh, there he is. Normally I would have took these guys out before I got in this building, but... That worked. There's one. I saw a couple there. Reload. We've got made sure we've got the diary in our safe locker. We don't have to come back here. Another guy down the bottom. We'll reload. Managed to take one out. It's not the worst place to hold out, but it's not ideal. But with the range of the AK, we'll work with it. Task complete. I think I might have just killed 10 guys, yeah. So neutralise the enemies and then retrieve the evidence and report back to Gunny. So we've done those two. We've just got to get back now. Got another guy here somewhere. I think he's at the front here still. Just check my mag. Nearly full. I am tempted to hunt them. I'll see them up there. Okay, well, I think we'll just go back, hand this mission in. There's another key that we really need. It's the attic key. It's the other mission key for this area. We'll go back, hand this in. And see what we get. I should have called the heli, shouldn't I?
Exfil confirmed. Raven en route to Alpha 1. This is Raven arriving shortly near your position. ETA, 1 minute.
So yeah, to do that, you want to stand behind that initial building we were and just shoot down the road, and they'll all start coming up towards you. And they'll come up on the right hand side, so it was just a controlled aggro movement.
Raven here. I'm moving out. ETA, 30 seconds.
But we'll cover that again because we'll have to go back down that way. There's a couple of missions down there.
Landing, get in, go!
I'm in. Let's go.
Get ready, we're moving out.
Just mute that for a sec. See what rewards we get for these missions. Not that it matters because we've got to sell them anyway, so. And we can get rid of this key now, the PL dock, so we can save some room. I'll go and get rid of that key. Turn noise back on. So this is where I leave the keys that I don't need anymore. So anyone who's observant will get a free key. Right, let's have a look at these tasks. So vendors, tasks, restoring order, complete, collect, And we've got another one now, rat's nest. So retrieve intel from a hideout. Retrieve intel from a hideout. There's 2 of those. I know where they are. Will I accept that? Gunny, medical detective. So give him that diary we just found. Complete. Collect. And we've got a secret compassion. So place supplies in these 3 areas. Won't accept that. Open, collect. Oh, that's right. So there are 3 packages we've got to deliver. So that might actually be an issue because of our space we don't have. So if we go to character, yeah, we are going to struggle. So we sell these rigs. So these rigs are actually really good starting rigs. So they're level 3 armor. Level 3 armor. 8 size container, which is not bad. But they are quite heavy. But yeah, they're really good. We'll sell them. Sort out our monies. And then next mission I will sort the inventory out. We're going to have to sacrifice some ammo and some bits to fit these in, which is going to be harsh. Okay, so I'll catch you next time.